Hey, today I'm going to show you some good upgrades you can do to your truck. They look really good and add some finishing touches to all the work you've done, and it's at a good price too. First I'm going to talk about is the Rally mirror set. I put a new windshield on this vehicle, and the windshield didn't come with provisions to hold the factory mirror. So I put these nice Rally mirrors on, which have 5 mirrors mounted by 2 small screws that I drilled to the ceiling, and these adapter brackets. And it looks really good in the truck, and it actually adds as like a shade, a little bit of a shade when the sun's in your eyes. You can see it a little bit from the outside. It's a nice upgrade. Of course, another great upgrade is the steering wheel here. You can buy the adapter kit. Adapter kit's probably around $40. The steering wheel was about $26. A really reasonable budget touch to make the interior look so much better, and it's easier to steer. These wiper blades, they're the dual Rally blades. They were really popular in the 80s. They add a nice finishing touch to the truck. They look really good. They work good. And I'll show them to you in more detail. And they're blue and go with the scheme I'm going for, blue and silver. So they look really good. Another upgrade that the interior was able to get was some blue floor mats. They look good with the interior. These nice racing bucket seats instead of the factory bench seat, which is really ugly and was all ripped to shreds. These nice bucket seats added a really nice touch to the interior. The seats were about $500 for the pair. And the seat belts on them, these little lap belts, the lap seat belts, they were about $40. The seat rail adapters, they were about $120, so that was kind of expensive, I thought, for rails. But all in all, really nice upgraded seats for about $750. You know, seats, rails, all the little parts to install them. I show on other videos how I adapted them to fit in here using the factory adapters, or these adapters you buy, but I had to make a bracket for the back and adapt the seat to the bracket, which I show in other videos. You can look at my Chevy K20 playlist and you'll see those other videos that I show in more detail. Okay, I'll show you the boxes in which the mirrors came in. There's the 5-panel mirror set, Rally mirror, and there is the dual wiper blade. Now the wiper blades cost about $7 a piece, or for about $15 shipped on eBay you can get a set of these. And this mirror assembly with brackets and everything you need to install it, it's around $30 on eBay. Well worth it for the touches that it adds. It looks good too. And of course, wheels and tires always make the vehicle look really good. Wheels and tires make a car or a truck. Really adds a nice finishing look to it. Even if the rest of the truck isn't done, the wheels and tires look really good. I also painted the grille to give it a better look, as well as the bumper, the Chevy emblem. There's still a lot of work to do on this, but it's coming along. And I also have a video on the side step installation. These Bully side steps really make it better to get in these bigger trucks. So, alright, well I hope you enjoyed this video on some very good budget upgrades that add a little bit more personality to your vehicle and help your interior and exterior look better. So, thanks for watching Mad Boosting, and please like and subscribe. I need all the subscriptions I can get. Please like the video so I can get more views. And thank you again, Mad Boosting.